Welcome to our guide on vocabulary building for the IELTS exam. In this video, we'll explore techniques for effective vocabulary enhancement, recommend beginner-friendly resources, and highlight essential high-frequency words to boost your score. Enhancing your vocabulary is key to success in the IELTS exam. Utilize techniques such as creating flashcards for new words, reading extensively to encounter new vocabulary in context, and using vocabulary apps and online resources for interactive learning. Additionally, practice using new words and sentences to reinforce your understanding and retention. For beginners, it's essential to start with resources that are tailored to your level. Look for vocabulary books designed for English learners, beginner-friendly online courses, and mobile apps with interactive exercises. These resources provide a structured approach to learning and gradually introduce more complex vocabulary as you progress. High-frequency words are those that appear frequently in both spoken and written English. Prioritize learning these words as they are commonly tested in the IELTS exam. Focus on words related to common topics such as education, technology, and environment. Practice using these words in various contexts to solidify your understanding. In addition to these techniques, here are some extra tips for success. Set specific vocabulary goals and track your progress regularly. Create a vocabulary journal to record new words and review them frequently. Lastly, immerse yourself in English language media such as movies, podcasts, and news articles to encounter vocabulary in real-world contexts. By implementing these strategies and dedicating time to vocabulary building, you'll expand your English language proficiency and boost your confidence for the IELTS exam. Remember, consistent practice and exposure to new words are key to success. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.